Miss Lisa, and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. It's time for our word of the week. Today's word is treacherous. Treacherous means dangerous, unstable, or unreliable. We got some examples here. The hiker was cautious of the treacherous cliffs that could crumble under his weight. Another example of treacherous is with people, because people's behavior can also be treacherous or dangerous to other people. So Sarah realized too late that her best friend had been treacherous, spreading rumors behind her back. Some synonyms for the word treacherous, and synonyms mean the same, would be words like deceptive, dishonest, or hazardous. And some antonyms or opposites of the word treacherous would be loyal, trustworthy, and honest. All right, that is our word for the week. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next one.